Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Exhail, also known as Elmalia, and on this channel we do Roblox everything, gaming, developing, outfit ideas, and so much more. And today I'm finally showing you how to enable your donations for games like Please Donate, Karaoke, or any games that require game passes for people to donate to you. And this is the 2026 updated version, because I cannot tell you how many times I see people standing at their booth like, why isn't it working? And it's literally just one small step that they missed. So let's fix that. All right, so first things first, you're going to go to your Roblox profile. Let's just say for starters. From there, go up to create. And now this is where people get confused already. When you click create, you're going to see different games. You might see group games, you might see experiences connected to groups. You do not want to be under your group's games. So make sure when you see over here to the left side that it says your groups or whatever, make sure it is your profile. You're going to click on the game's configuration settings, and from there, go to monetization. Scroll all the way down. Just follow my screen and then go to passes. This is where we create the donations. So click create pass. You're going to upload an image if you want. It could literally be anything. A heart, a random photo, a cute icon, it does not matter. People won't really see it anyways if their ideal thing is just to donate. Then name your pass something clear. For example, like 5 Robux, 10 Robux, support me donation, whatever you want. Then click create. This is the part where most people mess up. Just because you created the pass does not mean it is ready. You need to click on the pass again. Yes, click it again. If you skip this step, it will not work in any game. So once you click it, go to sales. There's going to be a little toggle that says item for sale. Turn that on. Then set your price. Put whatever you want, like 5 Robux, 10, whatever. It's completely up to you. It can be $1 million. Save it. Now, technically your pass exists, but if you go into please donate and it's still not showing up, do not panic. There's literally one more step that people forget. So go to your main Roblox settings, go into settings and go to privacy or inventory visibility, depending on your layout, but it's going to say inventory, like accessibility or visibility. You need to make sure your inventory visibility is set so that others can see your inventory. That's what really makes the game be able to show your passes. If your inventory is private, donation games cannot detect your game passes. It will not work, guys. So make sure it's visible to everyone. So once that's done, we're ready to test. Now let's actually go inside. So I'm going to actually test both. We're going to do please donate and karaoke. So when you claim the booth, the game automatically pulls from your game passes. So let's see if it works. If everything was done correctly, you should now see your donations actually pop up. And that's it. No secret tricks, guys. No complicated scripting. No group required. It's literally just making sure it's under your personal place. And 2, marked for sale. And actually 3, your inventory is visible. I can't stress it enough, guys. Visibility in your settings. So those are the 3 things that break it for people. And if you're still having issues, double check that you didn't accidentally create the pass under a group. That's one of the common mistakes. But since it's set up correctly, you're good forever. You can even create multiple passes for different prices. So now you're officially donation ready. Alright guys, so that's how you enable your donations for Please Donate, Karaoke, and any other donation-based type of game on Roblox. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe because we do Roblox everything here. Gaming, developing tutorials, outfit ideas, all of it. And if you want to join me in game, you can find me at Exhail. That's spelled EXHAII. But it will show up as Exhail, EXHAIL. Do not ask questions, just search it. Go get your booth set up, guys. Go get your Robux, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.